Hello everyone, my name is Peiwen Wang. I'm 5G use case PDM at QCT, and I'm in charge of 5G use case development to validate QCT Enterprise 5G. So today, I'd like to share how QCT realized 5G smart manufacturing with centralized analytics enabled by NVIDIA technology. And here's the agenda for today's sharing. First, we will be introducing the new digital era and what's a digital enterprise. And the second part is how QCT and NVIDIA drive for enterprise innovation. And last but not the least, we'd like to share QCT 5G use cases. So one is visual intelligence use cases enabled by QCT 5G and NVIDIA technology. And the other is how QCT builds digital twins by NVIDIA Omniverse platform. Now let's start with the first part, new digital era. What's digital enterprise? And before jumping into the topic, let's see the definition of digital transformation. Digital transformation is the integration of digital technology into all areas of a business, fundamentally changing how you operate and deliver value to customers. And you may be wondering, then how to achieve digital transformation? There could be 4 steps. First is exploring. It means that enterprises need to understand the current challenges of one company and determine a suitable solution or strategy. And the second is doing, which is digitalization. In this stage, enterprises have to reduce the consumption on human resources or other resources by introducing new technology. And third is becoming, which is digital optimization. After implementing new technology for a period of time, enterprises should conduct numerical analytics and come out with insight based on the data collecting from daily work. And last is being. If enterprises do execute on the plan for a while, employees will realize the importance of digital transformation, and it turns out to bring value to a business. And of course, 5G plays an important role on communication. It allows massive data transmission in short time. So 5G network is indispensable to achieving digital twin. And in recent years, digital twin has become a hot topic when talking about digital transformation. So what is digital twin? Is it a simulation? Then what's the difference between digital twin and traditional simulation? Generally speaking, traditional simulation is to collect data from physical world by sensors and analyze those data, and then provides the insight. However, digital twin is to collect data from physical world by IoT sensors and analyzes those data, and then feed back to physical world to optimize the value of products. And let's take predictive maintenance as example. It is now possible to accurately predict when and how certain hardware components will break down. And digital twins are made up of numerous different technologies, such as IoT sensors, 3D CAD, AR, or etc. It's really the product of an ecosystem of data communication. And with all this constant visibility and measuring of digital twin, a concept like predictive maintenance becomes not only possible, but critical. And there are a bunch of benefits. The first one is improved customer satisfaction. Enterprises can smoother customer service by collecting real-time data. Also, it can help improve product quality because digital twin emphasizes on being real. And third, it enables engineers to validate product performance before physical prototyping, which can reduce time to market. And fourth, the digital twin can drive operational efficiency by providing insight before making decisions. And last but not least, digital twin will enable new business models such as product as a service. Validation can be conducted before producing the product, so it can reduce the cost on making physical models and shorten product development cycle. This benefit can also support customized business model. And next, let's take a closer look at the technology process of digital twin. It starts from data collection here, and then create a 3D model of the real world. And next is behavior modeling, designing the behavior of work. And then real-world simulation and visualization, which make the virtual item looks like real. So we will get the simulation result. All the data can be used for AI training. Then we will get more data. It creates a data circle between the real world and virtual world, helping achieving digital transformation. And speaking of achieving digital transformation, QCT and NVIDIA are driving for enterprise innovation. And before jumping into this topic, we'd like to introduce QCT. QCT, Quanta Cloud Technology, is a subsidiary of Quanta Computer. And speaking of Quanta Computer, it's one of the world's most admired companies. And in 2022, we were ranked number 354 on the Fortune Global 500 list. And you may have heard that 1 out of 4 laptops sold worldwide are manufactured by Quanta, and 1 out of 7 servers sold worldwide are manufactured by Quanta. And in recent years, Quanta Computer extends our reach to IT, cloud, 5G, AI, medical, robot, etc. So, QCT was born from a company with rich hardware resources. QCT is more focused on the total solution to meet customers' needs. Unfortunately, QCT is named one of the top 100 global innovators in the last 3 years. And apart from HPC and AI solution, QCT also provides private 5G end-to-end turnkey solution and roll out to the worldwide market. And the QCT 5G OmniPath solution composed of an OmniCore 5G core network, OmniRAN radio access network, and OmniView network management system for administration, operation, and maintenance. It not only conforms to multiple international telecommunication industry standards, but also provides high bandwidth and adjustable data transmission rates, supporting various applications across smart manufacturing, healthcare, and cities. In short, we offer 5G infrastructure. However, we expect that customers can obtain more value by using our private 5G. So we have validated different user devices like robot arm, AMR, which is autonomous mobile devices, IP camera or MR goggle, and etc. So smart manufacturing would be QCT main focus. So to excite customers' imagination of what 5G use cases there actually are and what applications they can use 5G for, QCT is also dedicated to the use case validation. Based on QCT Private 5G, QCT validates NVIDIA technology. such as TensorRT, Deep Stream to realize AI visual intelligence use cases, and to create a digital twin on Omniverse platform. And of course, GPU plays an important role in the use cases mentioned before. So here's QCT GPU server portfolio. This server supports either A100, A30, A6000, or H100 with NVIDIA NVLink bridges. And A100, N20, and H100 can support data analytics. On the other hand, RTX A6000 can be used for high-resolution rendering. So, with QCT's strong enterprise 5G solution and NVIDIA technology, we are on the way to driving enterprise innovation. And last but not the least for today's sharing, let's take a look at QCT 5G use cases. The first one is visual intelligence for centralized analytics. Okay, so the use cases we develop are based on the combination of 5G and AI and MEC. And with the rapid growth of AI technology, powerful computing capabilities are highly linked to the processing of a great number of AI datasets. When talking about AI architecture, Cloud AI, Edge AI at end devices, and Edge AI at servers for running plenty of AI workloads will come to our mind. And Cloud AI architecture is generally to connect remote devices to an AI in the cloud, which might come from privacy and security concerns by uploading all data to the cloud. And Edge AI at end devices, like AI camera, relies on onboarding capabilities at end devices and potentially generates costly local device investment for implementing advanced AI applications. And deploying computing power at edge sites and combining it with 5G network. Edge AI at edge server featuring high-speed data transmission is deployed closer to end users, which can be viewed as a popularized alternative to bring cost effectiveness, improve computing efficiency, and ensure data privacy. It allows mobile devices to offload functions requiring heavy computing power from the user equipment to edge site, such as AI visual inference. In short, 5G's greater bandwidth can extract more data, while its low latency allows heavy computational loads to be moved to the backend GPU server. Now, Quanta Factory has deployed the use cases in SMT production line, but due to privacy policy, we can't show you the real thing. So, we developed a demo video at QCT 5G Open Lab in Taiwan. Let's take a look at the demo video. So, we will find several features of these use cases. First, with high-resolution IP camera, the image can be sent to the edge server through 5G in real time. And then, a command signal is sent immediately from the edge server to the machinery when transpass occurs. And then, application servers with NVIDIA GPU can optionally support multiple cameras and container-based services for various inference applications, such as facial recognition, helmet safety, face recognition, etc. And then, the QCT design centralized analytics dashboard can help monitor live streaming and inference results. Furthermore, it can monitor application server hardware resource utilization status and manage backend factory image recognition applications. And then, more NVIDIA technology in these use cases is QCT Design SDK. Based on our use case validation experience, QCT provides SDK for visual intelligence use case development, which can accelerate the development process at the customer site. Here is the architecture. Based on QCT 5G infrastructure and GPU server, QCT develops software that integrates CUDA, TensorRT, DeepStream SDK framework, and provides user self-proto. It can not only help users with front-end and back-end orchestration. Furthermore, users can develop their application easily through RESTful API. So, it can accelerate users' development time when deploying QCT 5G infrastructure. Next, we will see QCT Metaverse solution. This QCT Metaverse platform enables the simulation of network deployments and production lines in a highly detailed scale. Integrating Omniverse platform with 5G-specific simulators, the interplay between 5G cells and the environment is simulated and visualized for maximum performance and coverage. QCT Omniverse platform is also used as a centralized platform to integrate back and front-end systems to scale tech stack, support analytics, and train models for the optimal planning and deployment of 5G infrastructure and use cases. So there are main features of the following: precise representation of signal quality and strength at every point in real time. Second, fully functioning digital twin factory environment. And third, we use NVIDIA i6 simulation for training models. And next, simulation of use case improvements to ensure that quality and cost goals are going to be met. And then, simulation to test new workflows for greater efficiencies. And the use cases can address customer pain points like the difficulty of site survey for 5G deployment, and then the inefficiency of training models for smart manufacturing solutions, and then challenge in reconfiguration factories quickly and cost effectively. And the benefit of the use cases would be faster deployment cycles, and then revolutionized planning process, and then streamlined real-time remote collaborations, and improvements in the production sequence. So let's take a glance at the interesting use cases. So, we believe that QCT private 5G and NVIDIA technology, including GPU technology, TensorRT, DeepStream, Omniverse, or more, it will bring infinite possibilities. And thanks for listening. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you are interested in more interesting 5G use cases.